The use of artificial intelligence. By connecting things in the network to serve people autonomously, there is a new challenge that consists of adding value to the ecosystem in which these things operate. This task is given to artificial intelligence, which is responsible for giving intelligence to the data collected by embedded objects and for making predictions that led to better decision-making within the system. Just as roads connect cities, the internet connects equipment with servers. Artificial intelligence can act in two ways in an IoT system: processing the data collected and stored in the cloud, or in the data stored by the equipment itself, called local or edge. Generally, this decision takes into account the exchanges between processing and connection capacity, and the cost. Equipment with large processing capacity can do without a good connection, while simpler hardware with good connection can use cloud processing capacity. To choose the artificial intelligence algorithm, there is no rule or protocol. A given problem can be solved in several ways, but the way the algorithm will behave to deliver the results make a difference at the end of processing. Thus, the evolution of computing has made the experience of technology construction more flexible. That is, today it is possible to build hardware without having to understand low-level language or assembly, but it is important to know electrical and electronic circuits and basic concepts of programming logic. And for those who have difficulty in programming logic, they can rely on visual tools to build flow-oriented logic. In addition, it is possible to use artificial intelligence knowing what it does, and not necessarily details of how it does it. There are visual tools that abstract the functionalities and operation within your platform, leaving available only the logical block, such as Node-RED, environment for building IoT systems through programming in flows. There are similar ones such as Microsoft Dialogflow, AWS IoT, Thingsboard.io, N8N.io, among other alternatives that can be found on the Alternative 2 website, a website to search for alternatives similar to any program. This phenomenon of abstraction of functionalities in platforms also occurs with artificial intelligence. Among the existing platforms are IBM Watson and Amazon Alexa that can be integrated with hardware through an API. An alternative for those who want to take the first steps in building IoT applications can be to use these options existing in the flow programming market. For the creation of more robust computer systems, knowledge in several areas of computer science is essential, but mainly in the area of programming to write algorithms that solve the problem, and electronics for the construction and implantation of computers embedded in things. According to Intel, the IoT market in 2025 will move a market of $6.2 trillion, and this market will require professionals with multiple skills, especially in artificial intelligence. There are numerous artificial intelligence applications for optimization and prediction, monitoring malware behavior on the network, presenting the vulnerabilities and risks to a business, whether to detect pests in a crop through photos taken from a drone, taking photos from cameras installed on city poles, to obtain traffic information, and directing the driver in real time to poorly paved roads, picking up the temperature through a sensor to control the temperature of the air conditioner,